Hey everyone, welcome back or to my channel. I'm Lexus and this is Nom Nom to Fitness. So today's going to be another what I eat in a day video slash fitness vlog. So I'm about to go have breakfast and I might just have a smoothie because I'm in a smoothie mood today. I'm adding some frozen spinach, half a frozen banana, some frozen strawberries and blueberries. Now I'm adding some water. So I have my smoothie. Now I'm about to make these delicious waffles that I got from Trader Joe's. These are like the best waffles. And I also like Van's blueberry waffles. Those are good too. If I had some fresh fruit, I would put it on top, but it's all frozen. These waffles taste buttery, even though there's no butter on it. That's why it's so good. I got these chocolates from Trader Joe's. It was like $1 something and it comes with 3 in a pack. I love chocolate and almonds. I normally don't like dark chocolate, but if it doesn't have a high cocoa content, then I like it. And this is 56%, so it doesn't taste bitter. I'm waiting for my computer to restart. I also have this rice cake. I put some pure maple syrup on it. You want some, Bentley? So I'm gonna try these Sweet Earth Santa Fe burgers. I tried the teriyaki one in my last video and it was good. So I'm gonna try this one. Here are the ingredients. Has pumpkin seed, cilantro, millet or Malay, chili peppers, onions, and a whole other spices and stuff. This pan is always wobbling. Now I'm adding some onions to the pan. I put some cheese on it. I ate most of the sweet potato fries while my burger was cooking. So here, I love sweet potato fries. Okay, I put mayonnaise on it, cheese, onions, ketchup, and mustard. This burger is really good. It tastes like there's barbecue sauce in it. Actually got burger. Like for me, I normally like vegan burgers that taste like meat. I'm not a veggie burger fan, but I am when it comes to these. This is good. There's like potatoes in it. I think that barbecue flavor comes from the liquid smoke. Love the texture. It's not like a mushy, fall apart veggie burger. Very well kept together. Okay, I'm gonna finish this. So for dinner I had some roasted sweet potatoes and russet potatoes with rice and beans topped with some cashew cheese. So here I have some sweet potatoes and russet potatoes. I sauteed them with salt, pepper, garlic powder, and a little bit of chili powder and put a little oil on them. And I baked them at 425 until they were nice and golden brown. Next, I'm sauteing half a red onion in a pan. Now I'm adding about 2 cups of cooked brown rice to the onions and 1 can of rinsed and drained red beans. I'm seasoning it with sea salt, black pepper, and garlic powder. And I'm adding some homemade crushed garlic to it. I'm using 1 teaspoon of this crushed garlic. Now I'm adding some fresh spinach, just a handful, and at this point I turned the heat off and just let the spinach cook down. This was everything that I ate today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.